How to officially lock your Facebook profile? Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to lock your Facebook profile officially. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Facebook app on your device. Make sure you have updated the app and log into your account. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now on this menu page, select your profile name at top of the screen to access your profile feed. Once it opens, tap three dots which is next to Edit Profile at top right corner of the screen. And now select Lock Profile button. Here tap Lock Your Profile button. And you have to wait for a while until your profile has been locked. So tap OK and your profile has been successfully locked on Facebook. Now, no one who are not the friends on your Facebook won't be able to see your Facebook post and any kinds of informations regarding your Facebook. So that is how we'll officially lock our Facebook profile. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.